Hello smart people, welcome back to this comments class. In today's video, I'll take you to edX learning platform where you can take Introduction to Data Science with Python course for free, which is organized by Harvard University. After this course, you are going to learn the popular libraries. You learn how to run basic machine learning model and also practice Python for modeling. The duration for this course is 8 weeks. When you can take it 3 to 4 hours per week. So it's a self-paced learning course which you can progress at your own speed. It's free, but if you want the certificate, you pay. Okay, so you can start. Okay, so this is the syllabus. So you can see the syllabus here. So linear regression. You have bootstrap here, classification and logistics. So you have a lot of syllabus here. Okay, so what you learn? Okay, so you gain hands-on experience and practice using Python to solve real data science challenges, and also practice Python programming and coding for modeling, statistics and storytelling. We have a whole lot here, so you can take this course. It's very good. Okay, so let's enroll. As you can see, if you want the certificate, if you want to earn the certificate, you need to pay. That is 299 USD dollars. And if you want it free, which you are going to get access to the full course material, so temporary access to the course material including videos and also the reading. So you get a temporary access to non-grade activities including discussion forums and also non-graded assignments. And after you enroll, it expires on January 12, 2024. Okay, so let's click on the continue. When you click on continue, you see the introduction to data science with Python. Now we are going to see the lessons or the course content here. When you click on the introduction, you have the welcome to introduction to data science with Python. The section 1 is the linear regression. Section 2 is the multiple and polynomial regression. Section 3 is the model selection and also cross validation. This part is very important during your machine learning because every data set has its preferred machine learning you can use. You can have a time series, or you can have a time series data set where you can use a particular model. You can use two models, but when you look at the accuracy, one model will give you high accuracy. So you taking this particular course and looking at the model selection and the cross validation, where you are going to see the training and also the testing data set, how you are going to divide it for your modeling is very important. Selection of modeling or modeling selection in machine learning is very important. Okay, so we have the classification and also logistic regression. Okay, so let's go to the first one, introduction to data science with Python. So you see, it gives you a short note. In this course, you learn the basic of data modeling for nearest neighbor, approach and simple linear modeling to intermediate technique like range and also the LA also. Okay. Let's check the model selection. I really like that part. Okay. So this video too, or this course, you can download the video, you can download the tests, you can listen to the video, you can take this lesson. Okay. Okay. Thank you. I hope this video will be useful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.